That was a bad cast. Yeah, but you didn't have one to make your drag off yet. What is this thing, dude? This is weird, whatever it is. It's not a, I don't think it's a bass. I don't know, but he's taking drag. No, it's a bass. Huh, he's just a happy-go-lucky bass. You gonna net this for me? It's not a real big one.
Oh, sorry, I can't.
I think I hooked.
got a big old pig on my pole.
What? Oh, we just crossed lines. No, we didn't. Dude, your fish is scaring my fish. I think I hooked this one on the top of the head. Wait, I need the net. What the fuck?
Here.
I don't know why I'm panicking. This is 12-pound line, but dude, this guy's mad at me. What the hell, dude? Come back here, youngster. Oh, I'm letting fish like Brian does. Which means I'm not. Come into the net. Oh!
Dude, let me see the net.
I got it. I hooked him on the forehead. That's why he was so mad. Like, can you hook me on the forehead? Yeah. Oh no, the one in his mouth came off. So good thing the one on his forehead. Where's my pliers, Brian? All right. Woo! Ouch. Come on now, put your tail out for the camera. That's smallmouth bass, not a river. Little guy. All right.